Where to find the trash folder settings for your Samsung Messages app and either have it turned on or turn off. Let's do this. You'll first want to go into your Samsung Messages app, which is this one here. Now, once you're here, as you tap on these three dots right there at the right side, you will see trash and you will also see settings. Now, at default, this feature will most likely be turned on. And when you go into trash, you will see any of previously deleted messages within your Samsung Messages app. This is just for your Samsung Messages app. So if you deleted a message and you don't want no one seeing that message, make sure you go into the trash option and find those messages, long press them and delete them, okay? So that's one thing you gotta do. Then if you want to disable this, so you wanna turn it off, you don't want any messages being backed up into a trash folder whenever you delete them, you'll go to settings here. And once you're there, you'll see the option that says trash, keep deleted messages for 30 days. So when this is turned on, it will save your deleted messages for 30 days. But when it's turned off and you delete a message or just like a chat, it will not save it anymore. Okay, it's just going to be gone instantly. And when I say save, I mean it's not going to back up into a trash folder. So you want to turn that off if you don't want it backing up into a trash folder. And that's how you would do that. Like and sub.